Hello, good morning. We start our fifth lecture on electrodynamics. Curl of a vector field, curl of electric field or curl of magnetic field. This is our fifth lecture on electrodynamics. What is curl of a vector field? As you know, gradient, divergence, and curl are operators in vector calculus. Divergence we have seen in the last class. Now we see curl of a vector field. How will you write curl? Curl we write as curl of E, curl E, or del cross E. You see inside the bracket. Curl of E we write as del cross E. Del and an into sign E vector. E should be written as vector E bar. Curl E is equal to del cross E. Curl of a vector field E is defined as curl E vector. Curl E is equal to del cross E vector. And you know del is a three-dimensional partial differential operator in the form I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. And E is a three-dimensional vector having components ex, ey, and ez. Therefore, E is equal to exi plus eyj plus ezk. So del cross E, curl E, is written there. And on multiplication, you know A cross B in that manner. Curl is equal to determinant ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ex, ey, ez. That is curl E. Del cross E is determinant ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ex, ey, ez. And now we give a definition of this curl. You see the figure, there is a OD element and some area is represented delta S, and around the area at a point we take a small element dl. The tangent to the element is shown. E is the direction of electric field. Theta is the angle between E electric field and tangent. And the normal to the area vector is represented as n. ds is an area vector. You see the description about the diagram. Consider a vanishingly small area. You should read as area, not arc. Area. Consider a vanishingly small area. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ വളരെ ചെറിയ ഏരിയ, വെരി വെരി സ്മോൾ ഏരിയ. കൺസിഡർ എ വാനിഷിംഗ്ലി സ്മോൾ ഏരിയ ഡെൽറ്റ എസ് എൻക്ലോസ്ഡ് ബൈ എ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് പാത്ത് വിച്ച് ഫോംസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ബൗണ്ടറി. ഒരു ബൗണ്ടറിക്കുള്ളിൽ ഒരു ഏരിയ ഡെൽറ്റ എസ് കരുതുക. ലെറ്റ് ഇ ബി എ വെക്ടർ ഫീൽഡ് ഡിഫൈൻഡ് എവരിവെയർ ഇൻ ദ റീജിയൻ ആൻഡ് ഡി എൽ ഈസ് എ വെക്ടർ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റിംഗ് എ സ്മോൾ എലമെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദി പാത്ത്. അപ്പം അതിൻ്റെ സർക്കംഫറൻസിൻ്റെ ഒരു സൈഡിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡി എൽ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതാണ് ലെങ്ത് എലമെൻറ്റ്. ഇത് ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ദി എലമെൻറ്റ് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദി ടാൻജൻറ്റ് ടു ദ പാത്ത് അറ്റ് ദി എലമെൻറ്റ് ഡി എൽ. ഇപ്പോൾ ഡി എല്ലിലെ ടാൻജൻ്റ് ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഡയറക്ഷൻ കാണിക്കുക. Now, curl of vector field. If theta is the angle between angle between vector E at any point on the curve on the direction of the element, then E dot dl, E vector dot dl vector, it's a dot product, is equal to E dl cos theta. Then closed integral, the integral for the closed path, closed integral E dot dl is equal to closed integral E dl cos theta. It is a scalar quantity. You know that dot product of two vectors is a scalar value. The path encloses an area delta S as we seen above. Line integral per unit area. We define line integral. Line integral is closed integral E dot dl. So line integral per unit area, we have to divide it by delta s. The line integral should be divided by delta s. Therefore, line integral per unit area, that you carefully note. That is why we write 1 by delta s. 1 by delta s cross integral E dot dl. Then curl E is defined as curl vector. Curl E equal limit delta s tends to 0, 1 by delta s cross integral E dot dl. I shall read it again. Curl E is equal to limit delta s tends to 0, 1 by delta s cross integral E dot dl. That is curl E is equal to 1 by ds cross integral E dot dl. The limiting value we have written as ds. Delta s limiting value we have written as ds. So 1 by ds cross integral E dot dl. The curl of a vector field is a vector. So you remember, die of a vector field is a scalar and curl of a vector field is a vector. Curl E is a vector. Now we define curl E in another form, that is in terms of Cartesian coordinates. You know, x, y, z are the Cartesian coordinates. Del cross E, determinant ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ex, ey, ez. Then we expand the determinant in the following form. That is I into dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ey, ez, minus j into dou by dou x, dou by dou z, ex, ez, plus k into dou by dou z, dou by dou y, ex, ey. And this, you know, you study this in your mathematics. That is expansion of del cross E. And that we that is the definition. That is the definition of curl E, del cross E. So del cross E can be written in the determinant form and in the expanded form. Now we see the meaning of irrotational field. In the last class we have studied solenoidal field, and now we say irrotational field. There is rotational field, but it is better to remember irrotational field, opposite of rotational field. Irrotational field, a vector field whose curl is equal to 0 is called irrotational field. A vector field whose curl is equal to 0 is the irrotational field. E is an example of irrotational field because the reason is del cross E is equal to 0. B, the magnetic induction, the magnetic flux density is a rotational field because del cross B is equal to 0. So for irrotational field, its curl E is equal to 0. Now what is coming is two simple questions. Question number 1. What is curl of vector field E? Give its Cartesian coordinates. The answer is evident. From the above lines, you can easily note the answer of this question. Question number 2, what is irrotational field? Give example. That is also given in the above lines. And that is all with our fifth lecture on electrodynamics. And the next lecture is about the problems relating curl of vector field. Thank you very much.